Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. As you can see on the screen, if you have this type of data like in a single cell serial number, employee name, salary, age, like this, if you have data, just you have to copy the particular data. Then after that, just right click on right click, then select paste a special option. Then here you select the transpose option, then click OK. The data is come in a single column. Now after that, just you click onto the data menu, then you have to select that text to column option. Then here you select the delimited option. In that delimited, once you select that, just click on next. After that, just you remove the tab which is already selected, then click onto the other option. Then here you just press the Ctrl J. Just please remember Ctrl J. Then after that, just click on next, then finish. See here, the data is converted into the multiple column. So that just I am aligning here. Then it is easy to, after that you can easily calculate the data. So please, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share please. Thank you.